Okay, let's begin with turning on the power to our main cabinet. Next, we'll want to turn our control circuit to the on position on the Maytag. Now with our main screen popped up, you'll want to hit the start button on the machine power. Then we'll have to go and reset the light curtain. Now with the light reset, we can home the machine. Now that the machine is home, it's in its idle state, and it'll actually communicate with the machine before it for the length and width of the door. In this case, we're going to alternate each other door because it'll be hinged up and we want the cart to be balanced. To safely enter the gate, you'll have to hit your request access, which will park the gantry. And once this light is illuminated solid, it'll let you release, the lock will release and it'll let you in. Now that we're ready to close our gate, simply just close it back in. And you'll want to pull your request access out. And now you'll want to reset and it'll bring it back to the home state. At the end of the day, when you're all done, you simply want to hit the stop on machine power and then turn off your control circuit. Now we're safe to turn off the main power on our electrical panel.